I'm making a short video to demonstrate this vintage, circa 1960s, Jaeger LeCoultre miniature alarm clock. And this is in pristine, new old stock condition. So this must have been purchased, put away, sat in a drawer because it is flawless. It has the original Jaeger LeCoultre signed crowns. The dial is original. It's in beautiful condition, keeps excellent time. The alarm works as it should. So I have the alarm wound. Let's go ahead and advance the time so we can hear the alarm. The alarm is very long and very loud. So you wind the time with this crown here, rotating it clockwise. To set the time, you pull the crown out, rotate it counterclockwise. To wind the alarm, you turn this crown here clockwise. And to set the alarm, you pull the crown out and you rotate it counterclockwise. And then it also has the original, show you how this works, leather protective travel case as well. It's also in excellent condition. It's really a really cool vintage piece. And it is signed Jaeger LeCoultre, so this would have been for the European market rather than the North American market. Very nice sub-miniature alarm clock. Take care.